All right, Ace Windows and Doors is here today, and they are going to be installing my brand new door and my brand new viewing window. That's all coming up today. Stay with us. You're going to love this. It's going to match the garage now. Hang out. Ace Windows and Doors just pulled up in their van, and they are going to be replacing my door today. So he is outside getting everything prepped up now. Okay, the installer is prepping to install, and you guys will watch him while he does it. We did get the locks reinstalled. We got the smart lock installed. We got the new door handle installed. All right, the painters did leave, and as part of the door video, I am going to show you that the door got painted on the inside white, just like this, with interior paint. And then if you step outside, and by the way, it is pouring down rain right now, and it has been for like the last hour. It's starting to slack up. But if we take a look outside, they did paint the outside of the door black. So there we go. This project is done. Got the new door, got the new viewing window. It looks awesome. I'm super hyped, and it matches the garage door. And I'm so thankful for you guys watching this video and subscribing and liking. We'll see you guys on the next one.